Good morning, children. I am Subharam Singh. Today we will study Science Class 5. So, dear children, now you open the book chapter 1, that is reproduction in plants. Then let us discuss what does it mean reproduction. So, reproduction means to give a birth. In animal cases, we see cows, goats, hens, pigs, buffalo, goats. They give birth to their kids. Likewise, in plant case, they also reproduce their new plants. How they reproduce? Let us discuss one each. Reproduction. What does it mean? It is the biological process by which new individual organisms, offspring, are produced from their parents. This is called reproduction. Plants reproduction. What does this mean by plant reproduction? It is the production of new offspring in plants which can be rebirth or new small plants start growing. This is called plant reproduction. We know life existing only Earth can be possible. But we have 9 planets. Among these, the Earth has the power to life supporting. The Earth is in the form of plants, human beings, and animals. So human beings, plants, and animals can live in the plant. So living beings can continue to live on the earth by producing more of their kids. So in this earth, those who are living, they reproduce. Plants reproduce. Most of the plants reproduce by producing seeds. So some of the plants, they reproduce by seeds. Which are they, these plants? Mangoes, orange, corn, plums, pumpkins, beans, apple, black cherry, bitter gourd, soybean, star fruits, lady's finger, cauliflower, papaya. These are the plants which reproduce by their seeds. And some of the plants reproduce by their spore. So what does mean by spore? A plant reproduces on another plants without having any connection with any other plants. But the plant is growing into a new organism produced specially by certain fungi, algae, protozoans, and non-seed bearing plants. So dear children, some of the example of these spores: mosses, ferns, liverworts, oat. So here I have made a flower. How this flower, it give birth. So through spore, this fungi and any bacteria, they enter inside and they reproduce their new plants. Then some plants reproduce by plant parts like leaves. So there are some example: begonias, African violets, sansevieria, pigeonback. So these are the leaves. Dear children, now you see the leaves, how it gives new plants through their bud. They germinate new plants. Through their bud, they germinate new plants. So through root, how it reproduce. So for example, I have given carrot, radish, beetroot, dahlia, turnip, etc. This is the roots. Through roots, they reproduce the plants. Here I have given example through roots, how it germinate a plants. Then stem. Stem means trunk. Through trunk, how they reproduce a plant. There are example: potato, ginger, onion. These are the plants they reproduce through their stem. So example I have given here some stem here. When this plants we cut, or a big plants we cut, again from their branches we plant in another place, it germinate a new plant. This is the stem. So dear children, now for you homework. Homework is that to give some seeds name. So please you write down this homework in your note copy, science note copy. So don't write on the book, but you write in the note copy. So homework is, first is seeds which we plant in our garden, give example. So you have to write 10 seeds name. Then stem which we plant in our garden, give example. 10 stem you give example. So today we discussed from our earth to till root, stem, etc. So next class we will be discussing from growing plants from seeds. So thank you for watching this video.